Hey, baby. What is it, Junior? You go cook me something? Like what? I don't know, just anything. Okay. I'll make it cheesy casserole. I wonder why that mute thing exists. Like, it's the most stupidest trend ever on TikTok. You know, I wonder what happens when SpongeBob gets canceled. Does it mean no more SpongeBob? Here you go. Shit, pee what the is this? It's my cheesy casserole. Well, Sir Pee, it is terrible. Who would create some of this monster here? You know what? I'm gonna give you a personal trainer just so you can cook way better. Okay, what in the bloody monstrosity is this? The name is Sir Pee. Oh, Sir. Okay. No, Sir Pee. Okay, Sir. Okay, Sir. Okay. Just walk with him, alright? I'll go wait for 8 minutes of the rest of the video. Wait, you don't want to remember before, right? I believe I do in cooking class. But what to say, that was the most body having terrible things I ever saw. It was like, what was he doing in there? Was he trying to turn the whole house down or something? And burn it all to ashes or something? Well, there was only one way to get rid of Junior and his friends. I know, but that's still dark. But hey. So you know how to cook a filet mignon, right? No, I never cooked it. Oh, okay. Let me teach you. Alright, so we have like a bun mignon. I tried it and I threw it around my kitchen. Say, can you make a good one? I mean, I guess I could try. Alright, make sure it's good. Well, you're out of my cooking class, mate. Okay? Are you even British? I don't know. Whatever. 20 minutes later. Alright, I got the filet mignon. Wow, those look buns. That's you, some rich seasoning. Well, I mean, I know pepper ain't rich, but just a little spice to it. And salt. I like a little bit of salt. I mean, I think I'll put like a little bit of salt on it. Alright. I guess I'll just taste it. Yum. Oh my god. Wait, Chapipi. Why is it so good? Dang, I didn't know. I didn't know pepper and salt would go so good together on a filet mignon. 8 minutes later. Oh my god, Sam, what's going on? Well, that is the best filet mignon I ever tasted. What are you talking about? Well, what do you guys call him? Chef Pee get it right. But wait, that was the best he's ever done? I don't believe it. Where's the cameras? Look at this. I'll give it a try and see if it's good. Give me. Oh my god. I think you're not kidding. This is actually heavenly. You want? Okay, Pee. This is a red band pizza, right? Yes. And this pizza was almost well done. If this guy did not have burn it. God, how do this job of black to Chevys? Hey, would you want to buy this? Yeah, I like to buy this black Mercedes over here. Well, it's gonna be $3,000. Why so much? Oh, it's just a black Mercedes. It's a good car. Look, I know it's a good car and everybody likes it, but does it really cost that much? Okay, yeah, it's being unfair. A book guy. I'm not paying for that. I'm not paying for that car. Paying for that offer, but I'm not paying. Yeah. Anyways. Alright, Chippy. So your next thing is not to cook me a homemade pizza. I got pizza dough. Okay. I got some cheese. Parmesan cheese. I call this the Parmesan cheese pizza. Okay. Let's just. What is he doing? I mean, I don't know, man. That was great. Some pepperonis on it. Let's do like we're all the chef guy and just kind of sprinkle it around. What in the bloody mockery is that, mate? It is the Parmesan cheese pizza. I swear, if this turns out to be bad, you're getting out of here. But turns out to be good. I doubt it's gonna be good. Let me just try this. Whoa, that is actually good. Alright, let's try this. Whoa. Dude, what's that smell? I don't know. Let's go check. What's this? What's that guy that wanted cool or something? No, we're not. We're just, going away to teach your Pippi on how to cook better. But that's kind of improvement. Kind of like an upstage, if you know what I mean. Yeah, right better than his previous attempts on how to cook. Since he really cooked us a finger and really burnt it. A puppet finger. That's your Guma's finger. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I think when they try to cook, I swear, when they try to cook a power stick bottle. Alright, Cody, here's your power stick bottle. Whoa. Why in the world would you give me deodorant? Yeah, dude. I don't remember doing that. I'm pretty sure that you do. Watch it, baby. Now your next thing is a chicken sandwich, which needs to be grilled, needs to be nice. No overcooked parts of the sandwich, because you're out of my class. All right? You want to be out? I mean, heck, I want to make the cooking good, so you guys can appreciate me more. All right. I guess I'll just make this grilled chicken sandwich. I'm gonna have to season it to it. Wait, what season do you like? I might kind of like a red seasoning. Like a firm, like a bacon flakes. Okay? Just add that to the chicken. Let's make it grilled. Wait, you guys like it fine actually? And a twine would be better. I agree. Me too. That's gonna be my last thing to cook for today. Alright. That's why I call it the grilled chicken sandwich with bacon flakes. You guys want to try it? You know what? Actually, I'll try it first. And you three could try it. And you should maybe, you could try it last. What? Give me. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Whoa. This chicken sandwich is on. Well, is it really that good? You call it. So I'm gonna be taking it to a drip. Okay, yum. Hold on, let me try the sandwich. Yum. Dude, heavenly. Whoa, how is the sandwich so good? I don't know. I think I like bacon flakes. Yeah, me too. I mean, has a real bacon on it. I would accept them more. Yum. Okay, this is gonna be a better point. 9 out of 10. Let's go! I'm gonna have to make something finally good. That's a happy ending. Should we made something good? But if actor remain, let's find out, I guess.